Hi, this is John Ozzy here, Head of Training and Development at AudaCity Capital. Today I'm reviewing the account of Vianny. Vianny's been trading with us from the 11th of February 2021 up until the present date of review 17th of May 2021. Vianny's maintained a daily rate of 0.06%, a monthly gain of 1.92%, and a drawdown of 4.64%. And looking at Vianny's journey, we can see Vianny's had a total of 211 trades. Out of 211 trades, Vianny has learned won 120 out of 211, which represents 50%, and lost 91 out of 211, which represents 43%. So basically, Vianny has won 50% of the trades and lost 43%, and it still complements the theory you can be right or wrong in trading and still end up with profit. And Vianny has gone on to manage 330,000 US dollars now, moving from level one. How did Vianny do this? We're going to have a look at that shortly. Looking at the monthly analytics, Vianny didn't trade in February. March, we achieved 4.01%. April 5.63%, and in May we're down by minus 2.46%, which is still reasonable compared to the average gain in March and April. Vianny is actually in profit. Looking at the pairs traded, Vianny has traded quite a few pairs, and as we can see, the average pip gain 15 pips, 34 pips, 22 pips, 20 pips. So Vianny's in and out of the market, had a few gains and a few losses, but overall, a very good attempt. So this is very good. But let's have a look at what Vianny's done as well in terms of what Vianny's traded and breaking it down. Vianny has traded quite a few pairs here. And what I like to do here is pick out the best pairs that's helped Vianny get to the level of 10%. And as we can see, we're going to go by the total amount of pips in total and profits. So coming down here, we can see the Euro JPY qualifies because we have a total of 122 pips, and that's given us a grand total of $312. We have the Euro NZD, which has helped Vianny as well. And we have the pound US dollar, and we have the New Zealand dollar US dollar. So I'll stick to the Australian dollar US dollar, the Euro Yen, the Euro NZD, and the pound US dollar and the New Zealand US dollar. Stick to these pairs because these pairs will always give you consistency and help you hit your target. Also, you have to improve your trading psychology as well. One thing I have seen in looking at your trade resources right here, your history, I've seen you using stop losses, which is very disciplined. I always enforce discipline with stop losses. So this is a very great trait and well done for incorporating a stop loss because this shows discipline on its own. So well done to that. And also congratulations on achieving your 10%. I would like to give a few tips. Like the first tip I've given is trade what you know. Stick to the pairs that have given you the effective pips. Always use a stop loss, which is what you do. Trade low risk with high reward trades and try to trade with no emotions because emotions will always get the better side of you. And also try reading maybe psychology books to give you an advantage. And join a community of traders as well, where you can have support, like the Audacity Community app, which can be downloaded from the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. So this is a very great attempt, and I look forward to reviewing this account in the future. And I wish you all the best. And looking at your live trades right now, you've got no trades open, but I wish you all the best and congratulations again, Vianny.